In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads account to HubSpot. By the end, you'll have your Google Ads account linked so data can flow smoothly into HubSpot for better tracking, reporting, and optimization. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google Ads account and that you have the right permissions. It also helps to disable any pop-up blockers since authorization windows may open in a new tab. Start by opening your Google Ads account in your browser and signing in if you aren't already. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation and open the Tools menu. You might see it labeled as Tools and Settings with a wrench icon. From there, locate Data Manager. This is where Google centralizes data connections and integrations, and it's the place you'll use to link to HubSpot. Inside Data Manager, find HubSpot in the list of available connections or partners and click it. This takes you to the HubSpot integration screen. Here, you'll see available ways to integrate HubSpot with Google Ads. Select the option that fits the built-in HubSpot connector and click it. When you're ready, click Authorize. This is the key step that allows Google Ads and HubSpot to talk to each other securely. After clicking Authorize, you'll be guided through a login and permission flow. Follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to log into your Google account, your HubSpot account, or both, depending on your current session. Enter your credentials where requested, confirm you're choosing the correct account and workspace, review the permissions being requested, and accept them to proceed. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check that you're granting access to the right ones to avoid linking the wrong property or portal. Once authorization is complete, you'll be brought back to Google Ads and should see a confirmation or a connected status within Data Manager. Keep in mind that the initial sync can take a little time. If you don't immediately see data flowing, give it a short while and then refresh. If pop-ups were blocked or the Authorize button didn't work, turn off blockers and try again. And if HubSpot doesn't appear in Data Manager, make sure you're in the correct Google Ads account and that you have the necessary admin level access. That's it. You've opened your Google Ads account, used the Tools menu to access Data Manager, selected HubSpot, chosen the integration method, clicked Authorize, and followed the on-screen prompts to log in and enter the required details. With the connection in place, you'll be ready to leverage cleaner reporting and more effective optimization across both platforms.